new mouse, paradise cookies. We have adapted a traditional Ukrainian recipe by using cream cheese instead of cottage cheese, giving the dough an amazing tender texture. But all the proportions are the same as in the traditional recipe. Adding the strawberry jam filling was our idea. It makes these cookies look fancy and taste even more delicious. You'll find all the ingredients at the beginning, and we hope the step-by-step video will make it easy to follow. No doubt these cookies will be a superstar on your table. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more delicious recipes.